Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy Zere. On today, we'll be talking about Team Cs. So Team Cs, they've launched an organization of cleaning up the ocean, getting plastics out of the ocean. So plastics are a problem nowadays. There's so many plastic in the ocean, so fishes are dying in the ocean because of those plastic. So they want people who have money to donate, starting from 15 rand if you're in South Africa, or $1 you can donate to teamsys.org, or you can go to their YouTube channel. They will tell you the process on how you can donate to help save marine lives, to save the fishes, and to save our beaches, because they'll be cleaning plastic out of beaches. Because if there's too many plastic inside the seas, the waves get those plastic out, and then the beaches also, they get dirty. So people cannot enjoy, in other places people cannot enjoy beaches anymore because of these plastics. So they will identify places where they have to clean, and then they clean up the ocean. They get those plastic out of the ocean. They even have a cleaning robot to help them to clean, to clean the ocean. And they have a team of people to clean on the side of the beaches. If they find that it's full of plastic, they clean on the side. Inside the sea, there's a cleaning robot to get rid of those plastic. But with all of that work, so they need donations to run those cleaning campaigns, to make sure that they clean the beaches, because plastic, they pollute our environment, they pollute our water, they also contribute to global warming. So by them trying to reduce the number of plastic in the ocean, they are helping a big deal in reducing the effects of global warming. So support Team Cs, hashtags Team Cs. Please support. Or if you don't have any money, but you can watch their videos, you can go to Team Cs on YouTube and watch their videos. That's also another way of support, like watching what they are doing, because that will increase the views on their YouTube channel, and they will get YouTube revenue from that, which they will use that money to make a difference. So please watch those videos, because for each and every dollar donated, they say they remove a pound of waste from the ocean. So let us participate. So teamsys.org, hashtag teamsys. Let us all support teamsys. Teamsys, good. Plastic, bad. Let's support Team Cs. And please support also on this YouTube channel to help me to grow, so that I continue to deliver content with value. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe on Online Education Academy ZA.